Hello, the internet, and today I'm going to be playing the Ratchet & Clank spin-off game from 2007, Size Matters, on the PSP, on the PS5. It's really cool that, the PS5 includes PSP games. Anyways, let's pop this PS Ratchet & Clank P game in. PPPP, Ratchet & Clank on the PSP. The PSP, it's quite interesting, that the PSP is basically like an early Nintendo Switch, or how really cool the PSP was. I mean, it was a very unique portable system that includes this game. Well, here's Ratchet and Clank. Ratchet's just sunbathing while Clank is just, new game. Definitely. Yes, definitely. Oh boy, can't wait to play. Here's our main hero. Flying across the galaxy. Here's Clank. You said it, Clank. Oh, Ratchet! That was a nice.
Much better. The sun is murder today. I swear, Clank, I'm done with all that hero stuff. Now, let somebody else save the universe.
Oh boy.
I need a little me time.
Ratchet
If there is trouble, then it is our duty to ensure that...
Nah! What'd you do that for?
Not me. Her.
Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm taking pictures for my school project. I'm doing a report on heroes, and I recognize you from the newspaper. You're Ratchet, right?
Well,
Definitely.
I see you have a knack for recognizing greatness.
I was wondering if it would be
Oh,
possible
Ratchet.
to get some pictures of you doing some heroic action.
Well, I would, but there's really not much heroic work to do around here. Well, I can lift Clank over my head, though. How about that?
I was thinking maybe you could fight some robots or something.
Definitely.
I know where you could find them.
I do have a massage scheduled in 15 minutes, but... Oh, what the heck.
Oh boy, Ratchet.
I could use a bit of exercise. Come on, buddy. Let's put on a good show
This is
for our
gonna
little
turn
reporter
out
here.
pretty ugly.
I am going to regret this.
Oh boy.
Press the L button and R button at the same time to crouch. Press the X button while crouching to do a high jump. R button, and press select to enter first-person mode. Aim and fire the target on the gate to open it. Press select to enter first-person mode. Aim and fire. Fire the target on the gate to open it.
That's what it's all.
Press and hold the triangle button to quick select another weapon. Try using the analog stick to select the acid bomb glove.
If you need more ammunition, try purchasing it at a Gadgetron vendor.
Wow!
Hey, look,
that
it's
was
Captain Quark.
super. I can't
Or
wait to
Captain
show everyone the picture.
Jerk. He's a jerk.
Quark?
Clank! What a coincidence! What are you doing here?
I am trailing Ratchet and Clank to see what they are doing, so I can join in on their next adventure.
Hey, that's what I'm doing! No, wait,
Do you not have somewhere else to go? Home to your family, perhaps?
Hey, Quark. Nice hat. Sorry, Quark. What? Was that your mother's hat or something?
That's pretty
Seriously,
sad for him.
dude.
I mean, that's pretty sad.
Just a hat.
It's not that. It's my mother and father.
That he doesn't have a real
I
family.
never knew my family. I was given up for adoption as a baby and was raised by monkeys.
Okay. Thanks for sharing.
Perhaps you should attempt to find your real parents.
There she is. Get her.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Looks like I'm gonna be late for my massage. Let's go.
You can run up magnetic surfaces using your gravity boots. Try walking up that wall. Use the directional buttons to make Ratchet strafe in any direction. select a strafe with the analog stick. You may set this option in the camera and controls menu of the options screen. Ratchet can throw his wrench at enemies. Crouch with the L and R buttons, and press the square button to throw the wrench.
Target acquired. Proceeding to Caladon.
Oh, kidnapped.
Help me!
I can't believe we lost her. Why would they want a little girl?
I do not believe they were after her. I believe they were after this.
Well, this is, what is this?
If my memory bank serves me correctly, I believe it is a Technomite artifact.
Yeah, right. Seriously, what is it?
It is a Technomite artifact.
Look, Clank, that girl is in trouble and we can help her. Technomites are just some fairy
that's the
story that
Ratchet we
parents
know.
tell their kids to explain how
Willing to help those
technology
in
works.
need?
They don't
Definitely.
really exist.
I believe they do exist, and this could prove it. That is why those robots wanted that child to get this object.
Did we? Did you? Ooh, that was quite a jog. Is that what I think it is? Oh, gimme, gimme, gimme! I haven't seen one of these since... Well, I've never actually seen one, but I've heard stories about the Technomites and their
Oh boy,
mystical
kind of
objects.
There are
Definitely being
no
corrected pork.
Technomites!
But this is our only lead. If you want to help that girl, we should follow the coordinates etched on the side.
Fine. Let's get out of here. See ya, Quark. And please, stay out of our way this time.
Well, I think that's all I have for today, everybody. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you all next time.